how to check the security software version on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down to the bottom and tap on about phone. After that, we scroll down. Then in here, tap on software information. And then scroll down, and in here, you'll be able to find the security software version. So MDF, BT, WLAN, VPN client, ASK, ADP, FIPS, and so on. So all the security software version will be available for you to view in here. And finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.